सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास अष्टाचत्वारिंशत्। ये that chamakam, it is the last number, right? एकाचमे तिस्रश्चमे पञ्चचमे सप्तचमे नवचमे एकादशचमे त्रयोदशचमे पञ्चदशचमे सप्तदशचमे नवदशचमे एकविंशतिश्चमे त्रयोविंशतिश्चमे पञ्चविंशतिश्चमे 25 सप्तविंशतिश्चमे नवविंशतिश्चमे एकत्रिंशश्चमे त्रयस्त्रिंशश्चमे षष्ठश्चमे अष्टौचमे द्वादशचमे षोडशचमे then it restarts. षोडशचमे विंशतिश्चमे चतुर्विंशतिश्चमे अष्टाविंशतिश्चमे द्वात्रिंशश्चमे षट्त्रिंशश्चमे 28 32 36 40 44 40 चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् अष्टाचत्वारिंशत् then it ends. So last number of that chamakam 48. अद्य विषयः अस्ति कर्मधारय अपि द्विगु उभयोः तत्पुरुषसमासस्य उभयोः समास सब समासौ आर्य प्रथम शब्दानि। सो सुंदर जी कृपया पठतु शब्दानि सर्वे and when possible English translations also.
Swarnakarah, Sunan, this ornament maker.
Goldsmith.
Lohakarah, Lohar, ironmonger. Charmakarah, Chamar.
Charma is leather, right? No, shoe. Charma is leather, shoemaker.
Leather. It's leather.
Cobbler, right?
Cobbler.
Cobbler. Do you know who was a great chamar for us? Mirabai ji's Gurudev, Ravidas ji. He hailed from a cobbler background, by the way.
Nice.
Gataha, Gada. Kumbhakarah, Kumbhar.
Gata.
Potter.
Potter. Pot and potter. Gata Kumbhakara. Then Malakara.
Malakarah, Mali gardener. Karnadarah, Mallaha. This one does something to your ears. Sailor, voyager, navigator, sailor. Sailor is the Karnadarah. Chitrakar, painter. Tailikah, Teli, oil person. Mahattarah, Mehattarah.
Mahattarah, sweeper or janitor, cleaner, etc. Mahattarah. Rajakaha?
Yeah, Rajakaha, dhobi, washerman. Tantuvayaha, Julaha. I guess he is a stitcher, he is a tape. Somebody who does tailoring. Varavaha, Mazdoor, laborer worker. Shilpin, Karigar. Shilpin is sculptor, I think. Karigar.
Is arts and crafts.
Skilled worker.
Arts and crafts person. Artisan.
Yes. Swarnam, Sona, gold. Lauham, Loha, iron. Chakram. Chakram, chakra, chak. Chakram like circle.
Wheel or
Wheel.
chalk, chalk तो लिखते हैं.
Chalk. Okay. Chitram, chitra, picture. Tailam, tail, oil. Padatranam. Oh, this what a beautiful name. Juta, chappal. Padatranam. How nice.
Sammarjani,
jhadu.
So here till Shilpin it is all, till here it is Pullinga. Shilpin, any guesses what pratyaya is in Shilpin?
In pratyaya?
Ini pratyaya, Satyam. In pratyaya, in pratyaya is correct. That way we can say ini, nini. And Swarnam, so till here Pullinga, then Swarnam, Loham, Chakram, Chitram, Tailam, Napumsa, Padatrana, Napumsakalinga, Sammarjani, Strilinga. Aap, so this is easy, I can just do. Kha, Dhatavaha, Aap, Pra Upasarga Purvak Aap, Prap, Sam Upasarga Purvak Aap, Samap, all are Aplir Dhatu only. Pana, to get. Sam Upasarga Purvak Aap, you can say Samyag. Samyag Aapne, to अच्छे से, to get well, not get well, to get something properly in that. समाप्त करना, to finish. व्याप, व्याप्त, to pervade. व्याप्त. व्याकरण.
Part of also that apnoti.
So this is now we will see that only. So आप धातु, today's व्याकरण आप कर्मधारय द्विगु, आप धातु के 10वें लकार में पूरे रूप स्मरण करो, आपनोति वगैरह आएंगे. तो द्विगु शब्द संख्या 47. आपनोति इसी इसका. This is Swadigana because Su dhatu will become Sunoti. So that no is coming in Swadigana. That is a Vikarana Pratyaya. So Aap also will become Apnoti. Parasmaipadi dhatu asti. Abhaji कृपया पठतु लट लोट लंग विधिलिंग.
I have to find the page number, right? The book is not being shared.
अच्छा, sorry, I didn't share. Sorry, I'll share now.
173 in the book.
I forgot to share. Now can you see?
Yes, I can. It will look like, but I think it will get better.
Page 173. एकशतं त्रयसप्ततिः.
Okay.
And the PDF.
आपनोति, आपनुतः, आपनुवन्ति, आपनोषि. Is that right?
Correct.
आपनुतः, आपनुथ, आपनोमि, आपनुवः, आपनुमः. Then do I read?
Lot.
No, that is
Lot.
that I'm going down. Okay. Lot. Apnotu, apnutam, apnuvantu. Apnuhi, apnutam, apnuta. Apnuvani. Apnavani. Apnavava, apnavama. Apnot, apnutam, apnuvan. Apnoho, apnutam, apnuta. Apnuvam, apnuva, apnuma.
Apnavam, apnuva, apnuva.
Apnavam, apnuva, apnuma. Vidhiling. Apnuyat, apnuyatam, apnuyuhu, apnuyaha, apnuyatam, apnuyat,
Apnuyata. Apnuyata.
apnuyata. Correct. ठीक से बोला. Apnuyata. Apnuyam, apnuyava, apnuyama.
Samyak. So today we saw apnuyaha jaise we saw in Brihadaranyaka that nahi drishtehe drashtaram pashyehe the pashyehe shrunuyaha all that. Shrunuyaha you see jaise apnuyaha. So you see vidhiling madhyama purusha ekvachana. And here there was another thing. You see in lang lakara for kra dhatu you say akuruvam or for apashya in that way, but already a is there. Dirgha is there, so when you add a, there will not be any difference. It is going to be apnot only. It will not be a apnot or something. Already a is there, so it has already become dirgha. So apnot. Ritlakara apsiti apsita apsinti apsasi
They could have
apsita.
added a. They could have added a visarga
Where?
when making it into past tense. Like
Avisarga?
plus
Avagraha you mean.
Avagraha. I'm sorry.
They could have, yeah. I mean, no. So avagraha will come when double a is there, right? Here it will only be a.
Plus a, so a.
So it is a only. It will not have any change.
Today,
Today,
those many words in Brahadaranyaka with double avagraha.
double avagraha.
There are quite a number of them on that one page.
Because of both sides, dirgha. Lit lakara apsiti apsita apsinti apsisi apsitaha apsita apsyami apsyava apsyamaha. Lut lakara apna apnatau apta aptaro aptaraha. In that way we had seen others also. Here shakta shaktaro. This lut lakara often looks like a shabda itself, but of course you have to know it is only prathama purusha. Ashirling apyat apyasam apyaso they have given, and ling lakara apsyat apsyasta apsitam apsyan, but more common is this lit apa apatuhu apuhu. Jaise today chakre, today or yesterday I don't remember, chakre chakrate chakrire, that had come. Chakre iha ikshan chakre. Sorry, it was somewhere some other patha, but chakre will come. So that is apa, in that way apa apatuhu apuhu. Apitha apatuhu apa apiva, and lum lakara apat apatam apan apaha apatam apata apam apava apama. Dirgha is there for lum. So all this, how the shabda gets formed is all lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi topic. So we are not seeing, why this is va and ma and all that. That will all come later. There are specific sutras governing all those. Sundarji, what is the question?
That suddenly when the chakra was the
Prashna.
father of the person who.
Acha.
Yeah, Prashna, the one in Brahadaranyaka, the question.
Chakra. But that is not lit lakara.
Maybe that.
That is not lit.
Yeah, no. Because you remembered chakra came, so I thought because of that person.
No, in Prashnopanishad that thing had come, right? Ishan Chakre, Ikshan Chakre or something.
Ikshan chakra.
That is lit. So, back to Abhyasa 48.
So this Prashnopanishad class is in person, is it?
Yeah.
From Maharajji.
There's no online. Anyway, coming back to Karmadharaya. Today we see both Karmadharaya and Dvigu. Why have they given both together? Any guesses?
They are part of that Tatpurusha Samasa there.
Both are Tatpurusha. Karmadharaya is which vibhakti?
Karmadharaya would be so Karmadharaya should be in Dvitiya, right? Like
Karmadharya is description.
description of it.
So, Shashti or Saptami?
Prathama.
No, we cannot place it under Shashti or Saptami. Sorry.
But if it is Shashti Saptami, you would just say Shashti Tatpurusha, Saptami
Shashti
Tatpurusha.
Tatpurusha, you would say, correct.
And
so this is not Shashti and Saptami. Then it will be Karmadharya.
it will not be Tritiya also. It will not be Dvitiya also. Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. Everything is Tatpurusha. Prathama Vibhakti is Karmadharaya.
Yeah. Karmadharaya. Prathama. That's what I suddenly remembered Prathama.
Prathama Tatpurusha Karmadharaya. Dvigo also is in Prathama, but we'll come to that.
Sankhya.
Sankhya. Correct. So this sutra for like today, today or yesterday, I guess in Brihadaranyaka, that question had come. Bahuvrihi Samasa, what is the sutra? Yesterday in Brihadaranyaka. What is the sutra for Bahuvrihi Samasa?
Yes.
Anekam Anyapad.
Anekam Anyapadaati.
Satyam, Samyag. Yes.
Yes.
So like that, the sutra for Karmadharaya is this. Tatpurushah Samanadikaranah Karmadharayah. This Anekam Anya Padarthe is going to come in the next Abhyasa. You see, Anekam Anya Padarthe for Bahuvrihi. We'll come to that. Tatpurushah Samanadikaranah Karmadharayah. So Tatpurushah, main, we can say it like how we say Prathama Vibhakti Tatpurusha, that is a way to understand it. But in the sutra, this is sutra number 1.2.42. This sutra, it says, you see, Samanadhikarana. It is going to be in Samanadhikarana. What is going to be in Samanadhikarana? Purvapada and Uttarapada. In Tatpurusha, Purvapada and Uttarapada are not in Samanadhikarana. They are in Vyadhikarana, different. Like that is why we say Dvitiya Tatpurusha, Dvitiya Tatpurusha, Tritiya Tatpurusha, Shashti Tatpurusha, because they are not in the same Prathama Vibhakti. The main, for example, when we see that Rajya Purusha is the example that they are given, right? When you say Rajya Purusha, Purusha is in Prathama, Raja Purusha. Raja Purusha mein Purusha is in Prathama, but Rajya you take a Shashti. But in Karmadharaya, this Purusha also will be in Prathama, and whatever Purvapada is there, that also is in Prathama. So since they are Samana Adhikarana, we say it is Karmadharaya Samasa. So that is the technical way of explaining it. We can say Prathama Vibhakti. Why Prathama Vibhakti? Because that Uttarapada is anyway going to be in Prathama Vibhakti. When Purvapada is not in Prathama Vibhakti, it is not in Samana Adhikarana. So it becomes whatever Vibhakti in Tatpurusha. But when Purvapada is in Samana Adhikarana along with Uttarapada, both are in Prathama, then you say, oh, it is Karmadharaya. It is not Tatpurusha. So then it will become descriptor. It starts describing. Or there are some other arthas also. We will see those arthas here. So descriptor is a good way to sort of just understand the main point of Karmadharaya, but there are three arthas they are going to give. And Karmadharaya, they also call Visheshana Visheshya. Sometimes in some places you may see this word Visheshana Visheshya Samasa. Visheshana Visheshya Samasa is Karmadharaya because the Purvapada will become Visheshana and Uttarapada will become Visheshya. Jaise, this is the good example that often comes in Nyaya, Mimamsa, everywhere. Nilotpalam. Nilam Utpalam. So Nilam Utpalam, you see both are in Prathama Vibhakti, Napumsakalinga. It is not Nilasya Utpalam or anything like that. It is just Nilam Utpalam. Samana Adhikarana. And also Nilam is Visheshana, blue. Utpalam is Visheshya. So this Nilam is describing this Utpalam. The lotus is described as being blue. So we say Visheshana Visheshya. But the ideal way to say it is Karmadharaya. Prathama Tatpurusha also you can say. But there is a name for that, Karmadharaya. Visheshana और विशेषिका जो समास होता है उसे कर्मधारय कहते हैं. कर्मधारय समास है. तो विशेषण एंड विशेष्य को समास हो गया. जैसे नीलम उत्पलम, विशेषण एंड विशेष्य हैव गॉट समास. विशेषण शब्द पहले रहेगा जैसे नीलम, विशेष्य बाद में जैसे उत्पलम. नीलम अब्जम भवत्येव, दैट इट इज गोइंग टू कम बेटर. कर्मधारय में दोनों पदों में एक ही विभक्ति रहती है. सो नीलम उत्पलम, कृष्ण सर्पः, महादेव, महात्मा, ऑल ऑफ दीज दे आर गिवन एक ही विभक्ति, विच इज वाई समान अधिकरण. अधिकरण is same. Both have the same adhikarana, same vibhakti. So it is samana adhikarana, samana adhikarana. Jaise Neelam Kamalam, Neela Kamalam. So as always, Neelam, whatever vibhakti here in this, so same vibhakti is there between Neelam and Kamalam, but when you get Samastapada, the vibhakti of the first one will disappear. It doesn't matter whether it is Prathama or Dvitiya or Tritiya or whatever. If at all Samasa, Uttarapada is in Dvitiya, then, and if Purvapada is in Prathama, then, Purvapada is in Dvitiya, then it is Karmadharaya. The main thing is that the Purvapada and Uttarapada are the same vibhakti, same adhikarana. So Samana.
But they don't need to be in Prathama. So that's what we are saying.
Yeah, but generally they will be. So you see all the examples, they are all going to be.
They are, but technically they don't need to be.
Technically speaking, it is samana adhikarana. But then we understand, since it is Tatpurusha and a part of Tatpurusha, oh, you say, oh, and Dvitiya to Saptami is all in Tatpurusha. What is left? Only Prathama, which means Uttarapada should also be in Prathama. Then it is Karmadharaya, Samana Adhikarana. That way we come to the logic. But the technical bit is Samana Adhikarana. So Neelam Kamalam, Neela Kamalam. And as you can see, the Anuswara will disappear. Neelam ki Anuswara will go away. Neela Kamalam. Because Purvapadasya Vibhakti Lopa itivat. Lopa itivat bhavati. Yuktam bhavati. Yukto bhavati. Neelam Utpalam, Neelotpalam. Neela Utpala. There, Adguna Sutra has happened. Neelotpala will come. Krishnaha Sarpaha, Krishna Sarpaha. So wherever, see, Krishnaha is pulling a Shabda. So Prathama will be Visarga. And that Visarga, Saka is, that will go away. Krishnaha, Visarga goes away. Mahan Chasau Devaha, Mahadevaha. Here also you can do Vigraha this way. Krishnascha Asau Sarpaha, Krishna Sarpaha. Just how they have given here. Mahancha Asau Devaha, Mahadevaha. Neelancha Krishnascha Asau Sarpaha, Krishna Sarpaha. That is possible.
Can we just define the word Asau?
That we saw, right? Asau in
Today
others.
we saw.
Not today. Before also we have seen others Shabda. In the beginning of this book,
Yeah.
we had seen
No, we'll see.
others. Nowhere. After this. Here you see Asau. Others is Va. Prathama Ekavachanam Asau. That.
Okay. So
Here
in this
also,
one,
in Stri
give
also,
example.
Striling also Asau.
So
That is
Mahancha Asau Devaha, how would we translate that? Which means that which is Mahan is Deva.
And Deva. He is Deva. That way you can say.
Is Deva, right? That which is Mahan is Deva.
Correct.
Like that.
The Mahan is Visheshana for Deva.
That which is black is Sarpa. Like that, but that which is Sarpa is black. Krishna Sarpa.
Correct.
Krishna Asau Sarpa.
So this way you can take, right? In Purvapada and Uttarapada Visheshna Visheshya Bhavati.
Yeah.
पूर्वपद
So,
विशेषण अस्ति क्योंकि
विशेषण।
विशेषण शब्द पहले रहेगा
हाँ,
तो पहले जो क्या रहेगा पहले पूर्वपद विशेषण अस्ति उत्तरपद विशेष्य भवति विशेष्य अस्ति सो कृष्णः सर्पः कृष्ण जो सर्प जो कृष्ण है द सर्प विच इज कृष्ण महान च असौ महादेवः द देव हु इज महा ही इज कॉल्ड महादेवः महानात्मा महात्मा इतिवत् कर्मधारय समासः समान अधिकरणः भवति. There are three arthas you can take from कर्मधारय. प्रथमार्थ एव ही, एव के अर्थ में ही इति. There is one shloka which comes in our patha. नीलम अब्जम भवत्येव पार्थ एव धनुर्धरः शंकम पांडरेव स्यात्. In Nyaya, in the beginning it had come, in Kiranavali also, and in the Kailash Discourses group it is there. Eva Karkit, the teen arth of Eva Kar. Anyway, all three are given here. Eva के अर्थ में भी कर्मधारय समास होगा, होगी, होगा. मुखम एव कमलम, मुख कमलम. So you see, अत्र नीलम कमलम, it is just simple vibhakti. Krishnah sarpah, mahan devah, mahan atma. Simple prathama vibhakti is there. Kintu mukham eva kamalam, mukha hi kamala hai. In that way you want to say mukha kamalam. There also it is कर्मधारय. क्यों? क्योंकि विशेष विशेष भाव है ना, मुख एव कमलम. एंड समान अधिकरण दैट इज देयर, समान अधिकरण है, इसके लिए कर्मधारय. चरणः एव कमलम, चरण कमलम. इसी प्रकार मुखचंद्रः, मुखमेव चंद्रम, मुखमेव चंद्रः. दैट वे. और Karakamalam. Kara eva
In
kamalam.
this one, when we talk about Charana Kamalam, so Charana is your Visheshya, right? Because it's the lotus feet.
Correct. So Charana will become.
So
But you see here, Visheshya Bhava, you can also say that feet, Charana Kamalam, you say lotus feet, so lotus is Visheshna. In that way you are saying. That lotus is coming later. Why they have given Visheshna Subda Pehle Rahega? Is that the question?
Yeah, correct. So...
So here, Mukha Kamalam, Charana Kamalam, you take as that Bhava is there. Charana Kamalam. Lotus feet, Charana Kamalam. So, Charana eva Kamalam. That eva Kara is going with, you can take maybe as Visheshna. But here that is the thing, right? See, it is not, the sutra does not say Tat Purushaha Visheshna Visheshyaha Karmadharayaha. The sutra says Tat Purushaha Samanadhikarana. The primary artha is Samanadhikarana. Visheshna Visheshya is there. But the primary artha, Gauna. Mukhya artha is Samanadhikarana. Mukha Kamalam, Charana Kamalam. इसी प्रकार Mukha Chandraha Kara Kamalam, Kara Kamala Sanjata and all that they say. Pada Padmam, Nayana Kamalam, etc. etc. Many things you can put. द्वितीय अर्थ है सुंदर. सुंदर के अर्थ में सु और कुत्सित मतलब निंदित अर्थ में कु. सुंदर पुरुषः सुपुरुषः, कुत्सित पुरुषः कुपुरुषः. गुड पर्सन बैड पर्सन effectively. कुपुत्र.
I have a question, Christian. जैसे इंग्लिश में मेटाफर एंड सिमिली दो होते हैं ना, तो ओवर हियर विद एवा इट इज एक्चुअली मेटाफर. सिमिली इसके जैसा एंड सॉरी गला खराब. मेटाफर इज यही, राइट? मुख ही कमल है. कमल के जैसा मुख नहीं बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मुख एव कमल. सो इट्स मेटाफरिकल.
तो किंतु सिमिली विल बी इति वत, राइट? यहाँ पे वो नहीं है ना,
नहीं है.
दिस मेटाफर. सुंदर पुत्र, सो देयर इज नो इट इज लाइक मुख कमल. मुख इज लाइक कमल, वी आर नॉट सेइंग ओके एव कमल. दैट वे मेटाफोरिकल मोड. या सुंदर के अर्थ में सु. सो हाँ, कुपुत्र कुनारी कुदेश, जैसे in that way it will be suputra sunari sudesha. Good son, good person, good woman, good person, whatever. Good man, good woman, good child, good location. Bad man, bad woman, bad child, bad location. Quite judgmental, but that is the artha. So sundara and kutsita, both you can put in karmadharaya samasa. Tritiya artha. Tritiya artha kim asti? Iva Taraha. So here, Abhaji, your question has come simile. है ना? Iva. Ghana Iva Shyamaha. So why we say Ghanishyam? Because he is dark like a cloud. Ghanashyam. Ghana Iva. Like cloud. Cloud-like darkness. Cloud-like dark is Ghanashyam. Purusha Vyagra Iva. Purusha Vyagraha. Narasimha, Nrisimha. Both way you can say. Nara Iva Simha. Nr Iva Simha. Chandra Sadrisham Mukham. Chandra Mukham. Chandramukhi. Same. Srilinga. Chandra Sadrisham Mukhi. Chandramukhi. There are many sutras here. This one was 2.142, right? So 1.242. Sorry, this is 1.242. In the same prakarana, there are lot of sutras very specific to the words they have used. For example, this Purusha Vyagra. Purusha Vyagra is there. There is one sutra specifically referring to Purusha Vyagra. Upamitam Vyagradibihi Samanya Prayoge. So, Upamitam, comparison. Purusha Iva, comparison is being done. Upamiti, Upamiti Karanam, Upamanam. That way, Upamitam Ghana Iva Shyamaha, Purusha Iva Vyagraha. In that way. Purusha Vyagra Iva Purushaha. Purusha Vyagra.
Just for clarification, the word Ghana is like cloud or dark? Or Shama is dark, right?
Shama is dark, Ghana is cloud.
Cloud.
So they say Ghana Ghanaha is like rain clouds, cloud of clouds. Ghana Ghanaha. Ghana Shama. Anyway, Ghana is cloud, Shama is dark. With this, Karmadhara Samasa explanation ends. Abhyasa will follow, but here अत्र सन्दर्भः अस्ति द्विगुसमासस्य. द्विगुसमासाय सन्दर्भः भवति. किमस्ति द्विगुसमासः? संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः. संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः 2152. There was 1242. This is 2152. संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः. कर्मधारे का ही उपवेद द्विगुसमास है. It is कर्मधारे only. It is a part of कर्मधारे. उसका उपभेद है. So for this reason, इस कारण तत्कारणाय वदन्ति जनाः द्विगु समास अथवा द्विगु कर्मधारय. This way also people call it. द्विगु कर्मधारय अथवा द्विगु तत्पुरुष. That way also. So तत्पुरुष कर्मधारय द्विगु. Whereas Dvigu will both can just be called Dvigu or Dvigu Karmadhare or Dvigu Tatpurush. In Dvigu also there will be Samanadhikarana. That is why it is also Karmadhare. That will come here. Jab Karmadhare
Sankhya is also Visheshan.
In that way, yes.
Sankhya is also Visheshan. That
You
is
can,
why.
yes, like that you can take. Yeah. There will be Samanadhikarana between the Purvapada and Uttarapada. Only thing is Purvapada will be Sankhya. That is the difference. जब कर्मधारय समास में प्रथम शब्द संख्यावाचक हो तो कर्मधारय समास में समानाधिकरण है, इसके लिए कर्मधारय बोलते हैं. तो ये कर्मधारय समास में प्रथम शब्द संख्या पूर्व पद संख्या भवति हो तो वह द्विगु समास होता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द्विगु समास. अधिकतर या समाहार मतलब एकत्र या समूह अर्थ में होता है. एकत्र अर्थ में अथवा समूह अर्थ में. जैसे त्रयाणाम लोकानाम समाहारः इस त्रिलोकम. तीनों लोक का समूह. समाहार मीन्स समूह. यू कैन जस्ट से समूह. लाइक जैसे हाउ नैयायिकास जैसे पद समूह वाक्य. मिक्सचर ऑफ पदस will become in that way samuha artha is here. So triloka samahara, trilokas together, that is called trilokam. इसी प्रकार त्रिभुवनम चतुर्नाम लोका युगानाम समाहारः चतुर्युगम. पंचानाम पात्राणाम समाहारः पंचपात्रम. समाहार अर्थ में समास के एक वचन ही रहता है, अन्य वचन नहीं. तो दिस विल बी इन एक वचन. So that question on, can it be both Purvapada and Uttarapada? Can it be, for example, Dvitiya? Then will it be Karmadhare? Karmadhare point is Samana Adhikarana. But here they have specifically given Samahara अर्थ में समास में एक वचन ही रहता है. Not द्विवचन त्रिवचन, it's not द्विवचन बहुवचन, etc.
Because it's one group.
So it will all be ekavachana. It will not be Chaturyugani. That is what they want to say. It will not be Trilokani. Trilokam.
एक प्रश्न है. त्रिलोकम एंड त्रिभुवनम, इनमें टेक्निकली कोई अंतर है मीनिंग में?
हाँ, त्रिभुवन भी से ना ओम भू भुवः भू भुवः स्वः त्रिभुवनम. त्रिलोकम स्वर्ग नरक एंड मनुष्य लोक. Pitruloka, Devaloka, all that will be also lokas. Right? But Bhu Bhuvaha Swaha Tribhuvanam, you can say. Chaturnam Yuganam Samaharaha Chaturyugam. Sorry, we finished this. समास होने पर यहाँ पे समास होने पर नपुंसकलिंग या स्त्रीलिंग शब्द बन जाते हैं. तो दिस रूल इज गिवन इन अ वार्तिक. आई विल जस्ट शो द सूत्र जस्ट टू show the importance, right, of the Vartika. So there is a sutra, Apatham Napumsakam. Apatham maybe with this way we can check. You see here this apatham napumsakam 2430. This third Vartika, so there are 7 Vartikas here given by Katyayana Maharishi. Dviguscha samaso napumsakalingo bhavati iti vaktavyam. Dvigu samasa will be in napumsakalinga. This is a Vartika. Kintu akaranta uttarapado dviguhu striyam bhashata iti vaktavyam. When uttarapada is akaranta, then that dvigu is called, that dvigu strilinga will be used. Striyam bhashata iti vaktavyam. So you see the importance of Vartika also is clarifying. Napumsakalinga and स्त्रीलिंग है, इसके लिए दे गिवन हियर होने पर नपुंसकलिंग या स्त्रीलिंग शब्द बन जाता है.
So the ending of the Purva Shabd. Sorry.
Sundar ji, please complete.
Sundar ji.
No, just clarifying it. So the Purvartha word, if it ends in Akara, then it becomes Srilinga. Otherwise, it is Napumsakalinga.
If it has Stri Pratyaya. So Stri Pratyaya we have not seen yet. It will come later.
Okay.
So it can also be Ikara. Let's say here they have given 3 Loki, right? Here Ni Pratyaya is there, which is Stri Pratyaya. So important is Stri Pratyaya. If Uttarapada has Stri Pratyaya, then it is Strilinga. Abhaji?
I didn't quite get what you were trying to show in Ashtadhyayi. So apatham napunsakam. After that we said Vartika ka importance समझना है यहाँ पे. So
yeah.
What are we looking at?
So there are 3 great rishis, right, with Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi Panini Maharishi. Vartika. So these blue things you know here, they are called Vartika. So these Vartika was written by Katyayana Maharishi. And Mahabhashya was written by Patanjali Maharishi. So when we do the Mangalacharanam also, in one Mangalacharana shloka, those all 3 Maharishis will come. Anyway, so here the importance is Apatham Napumsakam is the sutra. This sutra does not specify that it should be in Napumsakalinga and by Strilinga, Stri Pratyakam Strilinga. What it says, Apatham Napumsakam. There is no other detail given. Vartikakara has clarified with these extra Vartikas. This Vartikakara may not have given Vartikas in every sutra. For example, we can take Taktavatu Nishtha, which is for Nishtha. You see, there is no Vartika here. It is listed here. Vartikakara will give specific Vartikas. So the importance of Vartika is seen in such places. Let us say Apatham Napumsakam. You see, there are Vartikas that specify. Dvigu Samasa is generally in Napumsakalinga. That is Dviguscha Samaso Napumsakalingo Bhavati iti Vaktavyam. But, Kintu, next Vartika, Akaranta Uttarapado Dviguhu Striyam Bhashata. That Vartika Kara is given.
This also means that there is no this particular samasa में पुल्लिंग शब्द नहीं होगा.
नपुंसकलिंग और स्त्रीलिंग होगा. ऐसे यहाँ पे the meaning we take here is नपुंसकलिंग और स्त्रीलिंग. That same meaning they are given in रचनानुवाद. That is why they have said here समास होने पर नपुंसकलिंग या स्त्रीलिंग शब्द बन जाते हैं. त्रिलोकम त्रिलोकी, चतुर्युगम चतुर्युगी, शतानाम अब्दानाम समाहारः, शताब्दी. Shatabdi was the train also, Shatabdi, for marking the 100 years of our first Prime Minister's birth centenary. Shatabdi, 1988. So Shatabdi, 100 years. Shatabdi. Dasha Varsham, 10 year. Dashabdi, 10 year. Dashabdi, that. With this, Karmadhare and Dvigu explanations are done. Just as a summary, Ubayoho Tatpurusha Samasa eva. Karmadharayapi Tatpurusha Samasa. Dvigo Samasa pi Tatpurusha Samasa eva. Kintu Samana Adhikarana iti Karmadharayasya Lakshanam. Samana Adhikarana Avashyam asti Karmadharaya Samase. Dvigu Samase api Samana Adhikarana bhavati. Tataha द्विगुसमास अपि कर्मधारय एव, किन्तु द्विगुसमासे पूर्वपदसंख्या भवति, संख्या पूर्वो द्विगुः. You see, in one or two sentences you can summarize this way. Any questions?
Yeah. Just want to be clear as to when we do the samasa, when will it become like, okay, Chaturyugam is in Napunsakling and Chaturyugi. Now that again will depend on whether what pratyaya is there. Is it?
Correct. So in Chaturyugi there is a ni pratyaya. This is all going to come. Both in this abhyasa that we will see tomorrow, there are examples, but also at the end of the book, when this samasa prakaranam ends, there is an abhyasa for stri pratyaya. Any other questions? Om Purnamadaha Purnamitam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutrabhashyato Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyamadvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om